Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find your Instagram comments from the past year, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a simple, updated way to filter your Instagram comments by the past year so you can review, manage, or just reminisce about what you've shared. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to check. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look up to the top right corner. You'll see the familiar three-line menu icon. Tap on that. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the app, your likes, searches, and, of course, your comments. Next, tap on Comments. Instagram will now show you a list of all the comments you've made, but we want to narrow it down to just the past year. Look for the Filter by Date option, usually found at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see different time frames you can select from. Choose Past Year from the list. Instagram will instantly filter your comments, showing only those you've made in the last 12 months. This makes it super easy to find something specific, check your activity, or even clean up old comments if you want. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can now filter your Instagram comments by the past year. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to stay organized, keep track of their interactions, or simply see how their commenting style has changed over time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on making the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.